31. No one conquers the Tao. Humanity is filled with warriors, politicians, and tricksters. Diligent people determined to exceed their station by seeking to profit from division, from imbalance, from conflict. They build fortresses, fragmenting the world for control. Left and right become polarized, one favored over the other. Rulers, instead of bringing things together, drive things apart, trying to eliminate rather than hold tensions. For one side to win, the other must lose. Doomed from the start, eventually, these rulers are despised. By their own hands, they will collapse. There is no excellence in violence or weapons. There is no wisdom in trading in fear or destruction. A warrior who hurts some life harms all life. One who narrows the path by making one way the only way creates chaos and unrest, undermining harmony. Those who go against the laws of nature are doomed. One who awakens his true calling in the Tao honors nature. Like all existence, humanity is called by the Tao. The chatter of the 10,000 things can be loud and convincing. Listen, what do you hear? The sage knows how to pay attention skillfully, becoming adept at recognizing who and what to trust. All nature faces danger. The sage learns the ways of adversity. Be mindful of your strengths and weaknesses. Punctuate your speech with silence. Interrupt your thoughts with periods of reflection. Be still. At home, the sage honors the need for rest and restoration. In conflict, he honors actions that fulfill his mission. Make peace a priority, but do not use violence to achieve victory. Use weapons as a last resort, and if weapons must be used, work like a surgeon on the battlefield. Precise tactics and compassion minimize harm. Knowing what not to do is indispensable. Timed appropriately, inaction can be the critical determinant. Remember, good strategy adapts to changing circumstances. For the warrior serving humanity, it is essential to listen to the Tao. No one wins by antagonizing the Great Mother. The sage devotes time to healing after conflict. It is not time to crow or rejoice. The sage does not celebrate when harm comes to others. It is a time for remorse, sorrow, and grief. Every death is a birth, every victory a funeral.